Hey, Daniel Lee here with Eurasian Business Expo. We are here in Dallas, Texas, Plain Event Center with Nazakat Alimova, a certified CPA. Hello, Nazakat. How are you?
Hi, nice to meet you.
Thank you very much for joining us. We got a few questions
Sure.
for you. Nazakat, can you please tell us how can you and how can CPA help people?
So our CPA company not just correctly files your taxes, but also we save on taxes. We've helped over these 10 years, of course, over thousands of people save on taxes. It was small businesses. We help on average save at least $20,000 small businesses.
Oh, average.
Average.
Oh, wow. Yada stuff. What kind of businesses do you proprietary run?
Okay. During this course of years, we worked multiple industries, including trucking companies, beauty businesses, restaurants, daycares, real estate, IT. So we've had pretty much experience with all kinds of businesses. We work a lot with especially immigrants. We know how their taxes are done, how they should be done, and we see lots of mistakes. And it's best to work with a CPA who can provide quality services. And our main marketing is word of mouth. So people are satisfied with our quality of service.
So the best media and promo is just doing your thing right and doing a quality service. And I know that everybody has a different story, but what motivated you to become a CPA?
So I had a love for accounting. And over time, when I just moved to the USA, I realized what we are taxes. Wanted to figure out why. Why do rich people pay minimum taxes or like less taxes than us? And we, as middle class, pay a lot. And sometimes if you see, like, if you earn certain income for the same of amount of income, your accountant can get you $8,000 on taxes, or they can give you $2,000 on taxes.
Here's your question.
They can get you different numbers. If they don't know all the tax strategies, legal ways of reducing your taxes, you end up paying unnecessary taxes.
Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. Makes sense. So what does the CPA give you as a license? Are there any features or regulations that you can
Yes. In order to get your CPA, you need to have certain number of credits. You need to study a bachelor's degree, master's degree, and then sit for the very hard exams. It's even hard for Americans for 2 years. So I spent at least years of my life trying to get this license. In case if you get audited, it's best to have a licensed person who can defend you from the audits.
Okay, got it. So you technically can have anybody do your taxes and claim that you did it yourself, right? But you really want to go to the professional one. Obviously, the CPA is a higher level.
Who can represent you in front of the IRS in case if you get audited. So it's not just someone that prepares your taxes, it's someone that can save you on taxes, can defend you from the IRS audits, and has not just tax knowledge, but we also know about accounting, all the accounting rules in the USA, finances, business. It's overall knowledge that CPAs get.
You probably understand like what can be audited as well, and you can defend, and you can have a better. I'm assuming it's not like I'm saying that you probably have a better understanding of how the laws work around that.
Sure. Okay. So with the audits, we've had lots of clients who came us to help us get out of the audits. Many people think
after getting
after their taxes are done correctly, and when they come to us, we see that there were lots of mistakes because of not knowing or applying the laws properly. So in those cases, we help clients also get out of audits.
So what would be the biggest case you won in your audits?
So the biggest case was a company that received over $500,000 in taxes and penalties from the IRS.
Let me guess, is it trucking?
Trucking company, yes.
Wow, was it cash payments?
So there are many mistakes.
Okay.
That we had to go through the tax returns and correct them. And after correcting and defending our clients for like 6 months to help him get out of the audit, and he ended up paying only $14,000.
Wow.
And we helped them waive all the penalties and interest.
Awesome. We obviously don't want to get audited. What kind of suggestions would you give people to save on taxes?
Depending on your situation. Let's say if you have a small business, right? You use the rule to rent your house to your business. You can hire your children and write off payroll expenses. You can max out your 401k. And there are so many ways of legal loopholes like depreciation that can help you pay less taxes and minimize your taxes.
And I believe it was like a little that compounds into huge savings.
Sometimes it helps to totally disappear your taxes.
Yeah, that's awesome. And if you imagine it saving and then investing into something with only a week.
Yeah, instead of giving it, pay for the taxes, you can invest into your future.
Awesome. What advice would you give to an 18-year-old yourself?
So at that time,
Were you perfect?
I think I was because I know that I wasn't perfect. I was very hardworking, very disciplined. I would study till 11. I went to one of the best colleges, and I still use this discipline. So whenever my client asks for a deadline, I try each client's case seriously and try to help them do my best, meet the deadline on time.
Okay, you're not cutting corners.
Yes, and in this profession, especially if you want to get a CPA license, you have to have lots of discipline and hard work.
Awesome. Thank you very much for interviewing us, Akat. Appreciate you joining us at the Eurasian Business Expo. And you have one for us today.
Thank you.
Sorry. Я уже этот. Кук.
Я поняла. Устали уже.